Artificial intelligence is a buzzword that's been making waves in our increasingly digitized world. But what exactly is artificial intelligence, and what does it entail? In this beginner-friendly video, we'll unravel the mysteries of artificial intelligence and explore its various subfields. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as artificial intelligence, refers to the development of computer systems and software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks can encompass a wide range of activities, from recognizing speech and images to making decisions based on data. Artificial intelligence systems aim to simulate human intelligence, enabling machines to learn from experience, adapt to changing circumstances, and perform tasks autonomously. Subfields of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is not a monolithic entity, but a diverse field with several subdomains, each specializing in different aspects of intelligent behavior. Let's dive into some of the key subfields of artificial intelligence. 1. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that empowers computers to learn and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Instead, machine learning systems use algorithms and statistical models to analyze data, recognize patterns, and continually improve their performance based on new information. This technology is revolutionizing industries by providing the capability to automate tasks, identify insights from vast datasets, and make predictions with remarkable accuracy. From recommendation systems that suggest products or content to personalized healthcare diagnostics and self-driving cars, machine learning is at the forefront of innovation, reshaping how we interact with technology and process information. As the field continues to evolve, machine learning's potential applications are limitless, promising to drive further advancements and efficiencies in various sectors of our digital world. 2. Computer vision. Computer vision is a vital subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images and videos. It's a technology that mimics the human capacity to perceive and comprehend the visual world, making it possible for machines to analyze, identify, and make sense of visual data. Computer vision has wide-ranging applications, from facial recognition and object detection to autonomous vehicles, medical image analysis, and augmented reality. This subfield continues to advance rapidly, with the potential to transform industries and enhance various aspects of our lives by allowing machines to see and understand the visual world in increasingly sophisticated ways. 3. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is a dynamic field within artificial intelligence that revolves around the interaction between computers and human language. NLP empowers machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually relevant. It enables a wide array of applications, ranging from language translation and sentiment analysis to chatbots, voice-activated virtual assistants, and language models like GPT-3. NLP systems are capable of extracting insights from unstructured text data, making it invaluable in fields such as healthcare for medical record analysis, finance for sentiment-based trading algorithms, and customer service for providing efficient and personalized responses to user inquiries. As NLP technology continues to advance, it holds the potential to revolutionize how we interact with machines, bridging the gap between human communication and artificial intelligence. 4. Robotics. Robotics is a multidisciplinary field at the intersection of artificial intelligence, engineering, and computer science. It involves the design, construction, operation, and use of robots, which are machines programmed to perform tasks with varying degrees of autonomy. Robotics has far-reaching applications in diverse domains, including manufacturing, healthcare, space exploration, and everyday life. With advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics has evolved to include sophisticated machines that can navigate complex environments, perform precise surgical procedures, and assist with tasks in homes and industries. The integration of artificial intelligence algorithms and sensors has empowered robots to learn from their surroundings, adapt to changing conditions, and execute tasks with efficiency and precision, making them a transformative technology that is continually reshaping the way we work and live. 5. Expert systems. Expert systems represent a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on emulating human expertise and decision-making within a specific domain. These systems are designed to make complex decisions by applying the knowledge and reasoning capabilities of human experts to a particular problem or task. Expert systems are structured to gather information, analyze data, and arrive at conclusions in a manner that mimics the problem-solving skills of human specialists. They have diverse applications in fields such as healthcare for medical diagnosis, finance for investment advice, and manufacturing for quality control. By providing a structured approach to decision-making based on a wealth of expert knowledge, expert systems play a critical role in solving intricate problems and improving the efficiency and accuracy of decision processes across various industries. Real-world applications. Artificial intelligence is not just confined to the realms of science fiction. It's woven into our daily lives. Some practical applications include healthcare. Healthcare is a dynamic and ever-evolving field where technology, particularly artificial intelligence, is making significant inroads. Artificial intelligence is being employed for medical diagnosis, drug discovery, personalized treatment plans, and predictive analytics. With the ability to process vast amounts of patient data, artificial intelligence is enhancing the precision and efficiency of healthcare, ultimately improving patient outcomes and transforming the way healthcare providers deliver services. Finance. Finance is the lifeblood of economies and businesses. It encompasses managing money, investments, and assets, making it a fundamental aspect of modern life. From personal finance, where individuals plan budgets and investments, to corporate finance, which involves decision-making for businesses, finance plays a pivotal role in shaping economic landscapes. Technology, particularly artificial intelligence and blockchain, is reshaping finance, offering innovative solutions like automated trading, digital currencies, and more efficient financial services. Understanding the dynamics of finance is not only crucial for personal well-being, but also for navigating the complexities of the global financial system. Entertainment. Entertainment is the heart of human leisure, encompassing a wide spectrum of activities and media that bring joy and diversion into our lives. From music, movies, and video games to live performances and literature, entertainment takes myriad forms, allowing us to unwind and experience the arts and culture. In today's digital age, technology has revolutionized the entertainment industry, offering new platforms for content creation and distribution. Streaming services, virtual reality, and interactive experiences are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, offering consumers diverse and immersive entertainment options. As technology and creativity continue to intersect, the world of entertainment remains vibrant and ever-evolving, offering a constant source of inspiration and enjoyment. Transportation. Transportation is the backbone of global connectivity, facilitating the movement of people and goods across the world. From cars and trains to ships and planes, the modes of transportation have evolved dramatically over the years, making the world more accessible and interconnected. Technology is driving innovations like electric vehicles, autonomous cars, and high-speed rail, promising to reshape the future of transportation with a focus on sustainability, efficiency, and safety. The transportation sector is central to our modern way of life, influencing where we live, work, and play. Customer service. Customer service is the cornerstone of business success, encompassing the interactions and support that companies provide to their customers. It plays a pivotal role in building and maintaining customer relationships, ensuring satisfaction, and addressing inquiries and concerns. In today's digital age, technology is revolutionizing customer service through chatbots, virtual assistants, and advanced analytics that enhance response times and personalization. As businesses continue to adapt to evolving customer needs and preferences, customer service remains a critical aspect of building trust, loyalty, and a positive brand reputation in the competitive marketplace. The future of artificial intelligence. The future of artificial intelligence holds immense promise. Artificial intelligence-driven technologies will continue to advance and find applications in new domains. From enhancing healthcare to optimizing business processes and solving complex global challenges, artificial intelligence is set to play an ever-expanding role in our lives. That's all for today's video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.